So Garageflex are in Stourbridge today, where we've just fitted our 1000th garage for Lisa, and here she is.
Hi everybody, so I found Garageflex on Instagram. They popped up and I really liked what I saw, and they were literally transforming people's lives through their garages, and I wanted that. So I sent a message. I got somebody to give me a quote within a few days. An amazing person came and gave me this fabulous design, and here we are with the finished look. And as you can see, it's my home gym, but it's got plenty of storage, and my daughter will be using it as her playroom as well, and we can't wait to start using it properly. It's really exciting.